New Year's resolutions that people always make and fail at. The number one probably is losing weight. That means going to a gym, getting into habits of exercising every day. What happens is people start too quickly, too much at the same time, and don't have the energy, or they go too quickly too soon, and the idea of doing it again is torture. Best way to handle this is to not exert yourself too much, but get into the habit of doing this every day. Going to the gym, let's say, for example, if you sign to the gym, you go every day to the gym, even if you do nothing, even if you just picked a few weights and that's it. It's getting into the habit. Hope that helps. And thank you. Subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for listening.